Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to learn about taxonomic aids. So taxonomic aids which are used in the taxonomy living world. So throughout the years scientists have created numerous strategies and procedures that assisted in the taxonomical studies. Such strategies we call them as taxonomical guides or the aids. So these are the systems and strategies used to store and safeguard the information and additionally sampling of different plants and animals. So these helps in the identification, naming and grouping of the organisms, that is the taxonomy. Various illustrations of taxonomical aids include zoological parks, museums, key botanical gardens and herbarium. Let us see one by one. Herbarium, it is the storehouse of gathered plant samples. Gathered plant samples are dried, squeezed and protected on the sheets, and they are systematically arranged as per the classification system accepted universally. Herbarium sheets contain mark in regards to the date, scientific name, spot of the gathering, collector's name, etc. and so on. So these stored specimens in a herbarium. So like this, we collect the twig of that plant, particular one, and we identify that, and we placed it on a sheet, and along with its scientific name, regional names, we will collect and we will add there. So these are the herbariums. Next, botanical gardens. It has the accumulation of living plant species that are developed for the identification and as an information source. Each plant contains mark shows their family and the scientific name. Some popular herbal passion nurseries are Indian Botanical Garden at Calcutta, biggest in the India, Royal Botanical Garden Kew, this is biggest in the world till date, and National Botanical Research Institute in the Lucknow, so which is in the India. So these are the important ones. And museum, this is a repository that has a gathering of different samples of the animals and plants that are saved for the study and for the information source. So these organisms are safeguarded either in the additive arrangement and or they are actually skeletons of the animals. So if the plants are like this in the glass jars, we will store them for the information for the future use. We will store in these glass jars which are placed in the museums. And if animal skeletons we will store, or like that also we can store. Next is zoological parks. In such parks all wild animals are provided secure conditions of the nature and provides great opportunity for concentrating on the behavior of the animals. So this is about the museum and the zoological park. And next, key. So key is also a taxonomical aid that are utilized for the identification of both animals and the plants in light of similarities and the dissimilarities. Catalogs, monographs, manuals are different methods actually. Recording portrayals. Manuals are very helpful in identifying the names of different types of organisms in the given range. Monographs is a point by point and well recorded work on a specific taxon, on a single taxon. So all these key, catalog, monograph and the manuals, all these are the recorded descriptions books. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you.